10 unknown facts about Anuja Sathe. First, Anuja Sathe is an Indian actress known for her work in Marathi and Hindi cinema as well as television and web series. Second, she was born on 8th October 1987 in Pune, Maharashtra. Third, Indian actress Anuja Sathe has a bachelor's degree in commerce from a college in Pune. Fourth, she married fellow actor Saurav Gokhale in 2013 after they met on the sets of the Marathi show मांडला दोन घडीचा डाव. Fifth, she began her career as a model and theatrical performer in 2010. Sixth, then she played important roles in Marathi stage plays such as Uttar Yatra and Shobha Yatra. Seventh, Anuja Sathe participated in several Marathi television shows including Agnihotra, Visawa, एक घर मनासारखं, लगोरी, मैत्री रिटर्न्स, and many others. Eighth, in terms of her filmography, she appeared in various Marathi films as a supporting actress, including Asami Ashiti, राखणदार, कॉफी आणि बरंच काही, and many others. Ninth, she has appeared in films such as Bajirao Mastani as a Bhiu Bai, Blackmail 2018, Sakharam B, and Parmanu, the story of Pokhran, in the majority of these films. 10th, in 2020, she made a splash with her web series Ek Thi Begum on MX Player, which debuted on 8th April 2020. She portrayed Ashraf Bhatkar in this film, Sapna. She became well known throughout India as a result of this online series. Subscribe the channel.